Track 10.
Okay, so what do you need to make the dumplings? First of all, you need to make the cases. These are the cases which you'll put the other ingredients in. To make the cases, you need to make the dough. Of course, you need flour for this. To make 20 cases, you'll need 4 cups of flour. Then mix the flour with 2 cups of water. Don't forget to add some salt, but only a little to add some taste. When you've mixed the ingredients, leave the dough for 10 minutes in the bowl to make sure it's ready. You can make the filling to go inside the dough while you wait. There are 2 main ingredients in the filling. Firstly, you have the cabbage. You need to chop this up finely and add it to another important ingredient, the meat. You can use any meat, but today I'm using lamb. Put the meat and cabbage together and mix it by hand. When it's mixed well, you can add some other ingredients. In China, people like to add spring onions to their dumplings, and I do too. I'd like some seafood today too, so I'm going to add some shrimps. Chop the spring onions and shrimps into small pieces and mix them together with the rest of the filling. To make sure that everything sticks together, add some vegetable oil. Now that the mixture is ready, you need to finish the cases. First, cut the dough into 20 pieces, making sure they're all the same size, and roll them into flat little circular shapes. Put the mixture into the center of the cases. Make sure you don't put too much filling in at this stage, otherwise you won't be able to close the cases, and all the filling will come out when it's cooking. Then, fold them into half-moon shapes. Finally, boil the dumplings 3 times, and there you have it. Delicious half-moon dumplings ready to eat.